Bird, Dirty Bird, Georgia, 612, West Coast to Canada, breaking. Hey, Dirty Bird, 612, West Coast to Canada, break.
Hey, 138, 800 Alabama, break.
How about a DX Land, 612, West Coast to Canada, Barefoot Radio, breaking.
Hello, 612 on the west side, Dirty Bird in the Barefoot.
You're making the video gate, Dirty Bird. You're making another one of my video gates here. Right now, we're doing the live stream video gate. Dirty Bird has the mall down, 612, waving. Bring her back, Dirty Bird. That was a quick one. 612, reading the mail.
I heard your radio. Hey, 612, 139, out here running Barefoot, Georgia, waving. I'm back out.
All right, Dirty Bird. That was good to hear you in there, buddy, from Georgia. Have a good one out there and happy skip shooting. 612, West Coast to Canada, reading the mail. There we go. Dirty Bird makes the...
West Coast waving, man. They got rough that time. I heard you say, hey, Dirty Bird. And I did not get a 28. So you were on the west side.
Take care there, Dirty Bird. We got you treetop tall in here. Not a problem at all. Dirty Bird, Georgia, 612 out here on the west coast of Canada. We're waving and reading the mail and putting you on the video gate.
It's on Cypress May. Cypress May. You got it going on. Going back around Georgia. You still in there,